Hello, I'm back. So, ngayon ay meal prep tayo. Meal prep tayo. Dormers Edition. Kasi we'll be using... Wala nyo. Yes, we'll be using rice cooker. Na-remember nyo yung previous cooking tutorial ko, gumawa tayo ng scrambled egg using an oven toaster. So I will link the video below. So ngayon, rice cooker naman. Yung gagawin natin ay pasta in tuna vegetable oil, tomato, onion, garlic sauce, topped with basil. So actually, hindi ako marunong gumawa ng recipe. Pero basta, pasta siya.
Yung sauce ay Century Tuna, tomatoes, ginisa sa garlic and onion. Tapos,
binudburan ng basil. Para medyo social. Proceed na tayo.
The ingredients needed are 2 Century Tuna flakes in vegetable oil, salt according to taste, 1/4 kilogram pasta, basil, depende sa'yo kung ilan, tomatoes, depende din sa'yo, 1 big onion, I used white onion, and 3 cloves of garlic. First, we need to boil the pasta. While it's boiling, let's crush garlic and peel. So the 3 cloves of garlic, then we peel it, then we chop the onion. So that's when I knew that I effed up. The reason na hindi dapat i-cut yung root part is makikita niyo mamaya. So do not cut the root part. After that, let's peel the dried skin of the onion. Then cut the onion in that way. So do not cut through, as you can see. That's what I'm doing. Then now rotate the onion 90 degrees. So that's the reason why you should not cut through or cut the root part, because it would be more difficult. Ta-da! While chopping the garlic and onion, don't forget to check the pasta once in a while kasi baka ma-overcook. Kung feeling mo na okay na yung pasta, hindi na masyadong matigas, so you need to drain the water and rinse it with cold one. Rinse or flush, whatever. Hot. Yeah. Preheat the rice cooker after draining and add oil. Yung estimate mo lang. Wait for it to heat up. Then saute the onion and garlic. Make sure na naka-press siya. Kasi hindi siya matagal maluto. Then add sliced tomatoes. Mix. Add the basil. Then add the Century Tuna. Vegetable in oil. In vegetable oil. Then, yeah, I shouldn't have added the pasta. So next time, what you want to do is separate the pasta and the sauce para lalagyan mo lang ng sauce yung pasta according to taste. Para hindi siya bland. Ano ba? Tagalog ng bland.
Oops.
Ganyan mangyayari. Now, top it with basil para kunyari maganda tignan. Yung arrange. Trial 1. So yung trial 1, ito yung time na isa lang yung nagamit kong Century Tuna. So dapat dalawa talaga. Kaya gumawa ako ulit ng second batch ng tuna sauce. And ito yung naging result.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.